Welcome to all of you in this second lecture in which we are going to study cell structure and organization. You know that a ROSE project is conducted by Rayat Shikshan Sanstha, and this project is run by Yashwantrao Chauhan Institute of Science, Satara. Now we are going to study the cell structure and organization. Now, in this cell structure and organization, in last lecture, we have studied the introduction of cell. Here, we are going to study prokaryotic cell. You know that the cell, they are of mainly two types, that is prokaryotic and eukaryotic. So what is meant by prokaryotic? In prokaryotic, the nucleus, it is somehow primitive type of where organized nucleus and nuclear membrane is absent. All the cell organelles, they are also absent here. Prokaryotic DNA is found in the central part of the cell, which is called as nucleolide. Okay, so the cell wall of prokaryote acts as an extra layer of protection which help to maintain the cell shape and prevent the dehydration. These are some characters of these prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell size ranges from 0.1 to 5.0 μm in diameter. The small size of prokaryotic allow quick entry and diffusion of ions and molecules to other parts of the cell, while also allowing fast removal of waste product out of the cell. So the smallest cell, you know that mucoplasma is called as a very smallest cell, or it is also called as smallest and very largest cell. Do you know the example of these very small cell as well as very large cells? So you have to keep the example of these type, smallest and largest type. Then we are going to study prokaryotic cell. So first of all, see here the diagram of prokaryotic cell. Now in this prokaryotic cell, you can see here the yellowish color cell wall is present. Then afterward, this red color capsule is there, means it is cell envelope. Then inside it, cytoplasm is present. Some ribosomes are here, and plasmid, which is extra chromosomal structure, is present. This structure is called as a nucleolide, that is a circular DNA or a circular DNA in the form of nucleolide. And you can also see that here a long thread-like structure is there that is called as a flagella. On the outer covering, some thread-like structures are there, very short. Projections are there. These are called as villi. Okay, so these are some structures which are present in the prokaryotic cell. So let's see what is that. The cell envelope, it consists glycocalyx. What is the glycocalyx? In prokaryotic cell, it is somehow chemical complex protective cell which has a glycocalyx Now, glycocalyx occur in the form of slimy layer. स्लिमी म्हणजे अशी बुळबुळीत थोडीशी अशी लेअर काही बॅक्टेरियामध्ये प्रेझेंट असते, which is a loose sheath type. In some other bacteria, this membrane is somehow very thick in nature and tough covering, and that covering is called as a capsule. Now, both these structures, they are held for protection of bacterial cell wall. Okay, then these are some structures, ribosomes. Okay, now let's see what is the cell envelope, what is the cell wall, cell membrane, and other structures. So we are going to study the cell wall. You know that bacteria, they are of two types, that is gram-positive bacteria and gram-negative bacteria. So gram-positive bacteria show presence of peptidoglycan, the cell wall. म्हणजे पेप्टिडोग्लायकेननी ग्रॅम पॉझिटिव्ह बॅक्टेरियाची सेल वॉल तयार झालेली आहे, आणि ग्रॅम नेगेटिव्ह बॅक्टेरियाची सेल वॉल ही म्युरेननी तयार झालेली आहे. म्युरेन इज ए केमिकल सबस्टन्स, and from that chemical substance the cell wall of gram negative bacteria is made up of. Now later on, cell membrane is there. Cell membrane is innermost covering of the bacteria, and this innermost covering chemically composed of lipid and proteins. This cell membrane is held in intercellular communications. ज्यावेळेला सेल एकत्र असतील एका शेजारी, त्यावेळेला त्यांच्यामध्ये होणारं जे कम्युनिकेशन आहे, त्यांच्यामध्ये होणारी जी इंटरॅक्शन आहे, ही इंटरॅक्शन या सेल मेम्ब्रेनच्या मदतीने होत असते. Cell membrane show infolding towards the inner side of the bacterial cell. So this infolding is called as mesosomes or mesosomes, and this mesosome help in the wall formation as well as in the DNA replication. So this part is also important in prokaryotic cell. The cyanobacteria is example of bacteria. It shows more longer extension, and these extensions are called as chromatophores, and these chromatophores, they carry the photosynthetic pigments. Okay, now these are the structure or characters of cell membrane. Now you can see that in the figure some flagella-like structures are present. So if the bacteria, they are motile, in that motile bacteria cilia and flagella are found. Both these structures, they are held in the movement which are produced by basal body, which work as a motor. The basal body is work as a motor. Other parts of the flagellum are filament and hook. Filament long structure आहे, आणि it also consists hook. Some other surface projections are there, which are in the form of tubular structure. They are called as a pili, and these pili help in intercellular communication, and fimri is also there, which are held for clinging to support. Besides this, in the cytoplasm of bacteria, some ribosomes are present. It contains somehow very smaller dense particles, and these dense particles are called as ribosomes, which help in protein synthesis. Now in bacterial cell, you know that ribosomes are of two types, 70S ribosome and 80S ribosome. In bacterial cell, 70S ribosomes are present. So these are some characters of prokaryotic cell. Now, this bacterial cell is called as a primitive cell. Okay, and you know that bacterial cell, it consists circular DNA, that is nucleolide. It has no nuclear membrane which is separating it from the cytoplasm. Therefore, the bacterial cell is called as a primitive cell. Okay. Now some MCQs are there. Where are ribosomes found in prokaryotic cell? No doubt they are found in cytoplasm. Ribosomes present in prokaryotic cell, they are 70S. आत्ताच मी सांगितलं 70S रायबोसोमचा टाइप हा प्रोकॅरियोटिक मध्ये प्रेझेंट आहे. Some extracircular double-stranded DNA in prokaryotic cell, it is called as nucleolide. Prokaryotic cell does not have, काय नाहीये prokaryotic cell ला? न्यूक्लिओलस, सेल ऑर्गनेली, सेंट्रिओल, हे सगळंच नाहीये ना. प्रोकॅरियोटिक सेल मध्ये न्यूक्लियसच नाहीये तर न्यूक्लिओलसचा प्रश्नच येणार नाहीये. कोणत्याही सेल ऑर्गनेलीज नाहीये आणि सेंट्रिओल पण नाहीये. सेंट्रिओल इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द टाइप ऑफ ऑर्गनेल. सो आन्सर विल बी देअर ऑल ऑफ धिस. ओके. मिसोसोम इन प्रोकॅरियोट डू नॉट हेल्प इन. मिसोसोम जो आहे हा डीएनए रेप्लिकेशनला मदत करणार आहे, है ना. सेल वॉल फॉर्मेशनला मदत करणार आहे, पण तो रेस्पिरेशनला मदत करणारा नाही. लक्षात येते. सेल वॉल ऑफ ग्रॅम नेगेटिव्ह बॅक्टेरिया इज मेड अप ऑफ. नेगेटिव्ह बॅक्टेरियाची सेल वॉल ही कशाने तयार झालेली आहे? ती म्युरेननी तयार झालेली आहे. ओके. ग्रॅम नेगेटिव्ह बॅक्टेरिया आहे, बोथ ए अँड लिपोपॉलिसॅकराइड. अँड आता इथं म्युरेन हा दिलेलाच नाहीये, मग करेक्ट आन्सर इथं प्रॉपर कोणतं येणार आहे? बोथ ए अँड बी. कारण पेप्टिडोग्लायकेन आणि लिपोपॉलिसॅकराइड हे दोन्ही सबस्टन्सेस या सेल वॉल मध्ये प्रेझेंट आहेत. द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ बॅक्टेरियल प्लाझमिड्स आर. काय प्लाझमिडचं फंक्शन? Help in the DNA replication. So these are some questions. You have to give the answer of these questions. Now 2 marks questions are, what is the function of pili and fimri? मगाशी आपण बघितलं की कम्युनिकेशन साठी पिलाय या युजफुल आहेत आणि फिमरी जे आहेत या क्लिंगिंग टू सपोर्ट साठी आहेत. मिसोसोम्स जे आहेत या मिसोसोमचं फंक्शन काय आहे? मगाशी सांगितलंय आपण किंवा मगाशी बघितलंय आपण. मिसोसोम्स जे आहेत हे कशासाठी यूज केले जातात? तर कशासाठी त्याचा यूज आहे? तर सेल वॉल फॉर्मेशन साठी आहे किंवा डीएनए रेप्लिकेशन साठी मिसोसोमचा उपयोग आहे. लक्षात येत आहे. त्याच्यानंतर डिस्क्राइब स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ प्रोकॅरियोटिक सेल. You have to write down the structure of prokaryotic cell. म्हणजे पहिल्यांदा तुम्हाला त्याची डायग्राम काढावी लागणार आहे आणि त्याच्यानंतर त्याचे सगळे कॅरेक्टर्स हे लिहावे लागणार आहे. ओके. अंडरस्टूड. द प्रोकॅरियोटिक सेल इज ए प्रिमिटिव्ह सेल अँड इट इज द बॅक्टेरियल सेल. आणि बॅक्टेरियल सेलला खूप मोठा फ्लाजेला प्रेझेंट आहे. त्याचं फंक्शन काय आहे? त्याच्या कव्हरिंग वर प्रेझेंट असणारे जे काही प्रोजेक्शन्स आहेत त्याचं फंक्शन काय आहे हे सगळं तुम्हाला लक्षात ठेवावं लागणार आहे. ओके, थँक्यू.